GIFT, an international financial hub in the making. Gujarat, a preferred investment destination due to its political stability, strong leadership, pro-business policies and vast talent pool. What's more, its intrinsic entrepreneurial spirit backed by reliable resources and strong infrastructure only adds to the advantage factor. The geostrategic positioning of GIFT will enable operators to service geographically extreme financial markets by bridging far-flung time zones. Accentuating the advantage factors, GIFT is located between Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad and also connected to the fastest growing Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor planned along the NH8. GIFT also provides easy access to the Ahmedabad International Airport via a dedicated road link. Additionally, Metro and BRTS assures access to and fro from all sides. The bird's eye view reveals the futuristic design that GIFT is. A truly international and high-tech city spread over 886 acres of land by the riverside. The master plan is divided into two zones: a notified multiple services special economic zone with processing and non-processing areas, and the remaining area as domestic tariff area, the DTA. Urban form of the city is guided by superior infrastructure. Of a large underground tunnel shall monitor, manage and facilitate the utility network of the entire city. Being a high-rise business district, state-of-the-art fire detection, firefighting and evacuation system is planned for GIFT. Cutting-edge ICT, smart and intelligent building and infrastructure and city command control center truly make GIFT a futuristic city. Institutional framework led by GIFT UDA will oversee the urban development and facilitate single window clearance system. GIFT CL aims to plan, develop, operate and maintain the international finance tech city through several infrastructure-led subsidiary companies. These companies will provide municipal services, advanced technology support and focused sector-specific services to GIFT City. GIFT, a truly global financial hub where wealth creates wealth.